Okay, it's been 9 months down since my last video on this guy. Hasn't moved. Had it for over a year and a bit now. Still going strong, hasn't rusted out. You know, every time this goes up, this goes a jet black, so it blues itself again. And no problems with the castings and stuff like that rusting out, which is surprising. They're telling me it's actually quite good pig iron. No cracking anywhere. I've just put some a new grill on it, a bit of extra space underneath because I never had any of this in it. So I prefer if you stack it like this, you get the air tunnel through it, and it comes up for the guts. You know, it burns all right if you've got that turned down a bit and that open up all the way. But if I was going to modify it, which I will, I'm going to get hold of one of those sliders off the barbecues, like the Webbers and stuff like that, and that slide hatches, and put one down there and one up here, or two on the side, just so I can adjust a bit more airflow. It needs a little bit more airflow, but if you've got too much, you get a flame fire at the top of the chimney, you know. But no, she'll sit there a happy hum. Like, you get this in a shed with a bigger flue, this will heat up a shed, no problem. This gets hot. If you get it really hot, what you can do is you can handle beat this out flat, and you can actually put a my mate's done it. He's got a flat and he's got his what's it called on it, his fire pan, and that will actually heat up a cook fire pan, no problems. But no, if you just keep your eyes open for old barbecues and such, these grills work perfect in them. A bit of rebar on the bottom just to lift it up. You just got to be that much off the bottom, and they really work quite well. If you don't have it, they will just the front will fill for ash and just smoke, because you got your fires at the back. But no, I recommend these things. These are been good. But use the stainless steel bolts. Don't go use the bolts I give of you. They're soft as buggery. I used all stainless steel stuff which I borrowed from work, so I could remove it at a later date, but like anything, you know, I can actually cut them off, and I know they're not going to rust off and snap. These are good.